Hi everyone, this is Deepak. Today we're gonna talk about the top 5 tools that every cyber expert should be using in their day-to-day life. So to begin with, first tool everyone should be aware of is called MX Toolbox. So MX Toolbox is to know like the big domain belongs to who. For example, www.microsoft.com. So how you will know that this is actual Microsoft owned domain? So mxtoolbox.com is one of the powerful tool which is gonna tell you that domain belongs to Microsoft. Okay, so you have to type actually the same name, and that will tell you that all the records that DNS, DMARC, and all the records. So DMARC is like a verification record, and there is a SPF, DKIM. They are all advanced topics, but this tells you that yes, if these three values exist, that means yes, this domain actually owned by Microsoft.com. So this tool is very powerful, and all the admin should be using it in their day-to-day life. And you can say that all the policies, all the records are available for this. So we can definitely say that this is owned by Microsoft.com. Okay, so for example, how you're gonna use it in order to detect or to know that if you get an email and if your manager say, okay, we have to identify this email, is it genuine or not? So what you have to do, you have to use the exact same name. For example, you're gonna use Amazon.com, right? So what I'm gonna do, instead of putting Amazon, I'm gonna put number O, right, and .com. Okay, and I know that Amazon should be with the letter O, right? So we're gonna see. This is the real example that tells you that okay, this is wrong, something wrong, right? But you can see that hackers and the spoofers also have this thing, right? Amazon.com with the number 0. I literally just tried it. I was not sure, but you can see that. And yeah, let's play around more with this. Instead of Microsoft, right, I'm gonna use number 0 and ft.com. Let's see. Let's see, finger crossed, not sure, but let's have a fun together. So you can see that the hackers also publish this thing, but you already know that these are not Microsoft, and you can see that someone also reported it. So this is how you can use this MX Toolbox, one of the powerful tool. I'm using it from last 7 years, and you should be also using it, and it's very good to play around. Okay, so one of the free software or the free website, and there is a corporate version as well for the VirusTotal, but I like to play with the VirusTotal, which is a free one, right? So what do you have to do? So it's the same. For example, if you get a phishing email which has an attachment, you can drag and drop here, and that will tell you if this attachment contains any macros, VBS script, or anything. That's going to be very helpful. Similar goes to the URL. For example, I will type Microsoft 0, and that will tell you, okay, see, this is a phishing, all right, because I put number 0 instead of O. So this is how you can use VirusTotal.com, one of the powerful tool, and I highly recommend and use it in every day, almost every day. Cisco Talos, one of the powerful tools that tells you the authenticity of an IP. If you get any email, if your network being scanned by hackers, like for example, there is a public server standing outside of your perimeter network. So if any hacker is trying to scan it, right, with the help of this tool, you will know if it's a valid request or not. All you have to do, just put the public IP or the IP which is scanning the network, right, of yours. Just you have to pull it, and that's it. I'm putting random, but this you can see that, right? And this is very sensitive because they do track the pixels, what you guys doing. So they do track it. There is a corporate version as well, but Cisco Talos is one of the best tool, I can say that. Okay, let's see the malware sandboxes. ANY.RUN. Okay, so ANY.RUN you can use like to play around if you get any attachment, and this is what it does, right? ANY.RUN is like a sandbox. Okay, there is a like a virtual server sitting somewhere not in your environment, they are isolated. Okay, so what you have to do, and the algorithm behind it, they put everything in their detonation chamber. Okay, and then they try to run it, and this tells you, okay, if we run this file, this is going to happen. This will create a external DLL registry values and all the malicious activities. So that is going to give you a real-time feel. Okay, if user had run this thing, this could have happened. So very beautiful tool. I definitely suggest to use this, and you will love this ANY.RUN tool. Okay, another tool, urlscan.io. Okay, highly recommend this. This is similar to VirusTotal, but this is more towards URL scanner. So maybe you have seen that sometime you get an email, right, and you're not sure this URL is good or not. Okay, so you use URL scanner. There is ipscan.io as well. Okay, I'm not sure, it should be working. Okay, it should be ipscan.io, they own it. Okay, let's search together. Yes, IP scanner, sorry, not URL scanner. But all you have to do, you have to fill the same IP address into it, and they will tell you, okay, this many reports we got from this IP address. So yes guys, so these tools are very important, and everyone should be using in their arsenals. Very important. Feel free to comment me for any questions or any kind of feedback. We will definitely help you with any kind of questions.